Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be playing Room Mystery 2 and we're going to be trying to get murdered as many times as we need to or we can and trying to get sheriff as well. Trying not to die and trying to have a blooming night. So stay for the vibes. So, we are innocent, which is not good and still good at the same time. So all we need to do um, fuck. Probably the one who using speed. Oh my god. I found no wait. Oh wow. Tip of my mission two. Choose this map. It's time for murder do like this. Anywhere is she? She really likes doing. Well, I know she is. Oh my god. That wasn't really helpful. Vibe bloomer. Vibe bloomer. Vibe bloomers. Sad stuff happens when you're innocent, but good stuff as well. You could be a hero. You know what I mean by hero, right? Yeah. Um, oh, some the sound is getting closer. Oh, uh, did you guys just those down in the snow? Family problems. I mean, what can I say? I think I finally figured out who the murderer is. It's kind of difficult staying alive because I'm the only black one here. No offense, though. Drama. Oh my god. Stop following her. What can I say again? Family problems. Family problems. Ooh, there's some real trouble now. Ooh, now this is some real problems because y'all are sus. Sus. You are. She's been lagging the whole game. Really, she has. Look, let me take a screenshot. Let me take a screenshot. Wait right there. Let me take a screenshot. Okay. Mackenzie pose. Okay, it's sad because you can't solve it. Wait, where'd the murder go? Just, oh, that's good. So we still haven't gotten a murder or sheriff on yet, but who said it was over? Basically, no one. Right, Bloomer! We got sheriff. Got sheriff. Oh, yes, we got sheriff. Haha, we got sheriff. Yeah, we got sheriff. Oh my god, I'm so happy about this. I don't want to go through this. I told you, they always hate me because I'm black. Like, bro, what if you were black? By the way, I don't hate myself because I'm black. I like it because black don't cry. That's a fact. I'm starting to have a feeling. Who is the thought I saw the knife in his hands. I swear. I can promise you. Wow, covering up for the guy. Well, that's sad. Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. B I B E L L O O M E R. Five bloomers. I put one more L, but that's not it. Sheriff again. What can I say? Trying to think of that now. Oh, God, I can't see it. Now I can. Gotta act good. If I asked them who the murderer is, that would just be acting sus. Real sus. Bro, turn it off! How am I missing? Jesus Christ, bro! Life hurts right now. So, I think I Oh no, she killed him. Stop, bro. Stop, bro. Oh my. Let's start again. What did I get? Oh my gosh, Sheriff in the third time. The third time, bro. I think somebody's doing this. Really, someone's doing this to me, but it feels so good. A bad way. Find out who the murderer is and kill him. Bro, turn the radio off. Please, I beg you. Don't hurt me. I would kneel down and start begging. No, 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 I swear. I will. Yo. Boom! What the heck just. A reminder, this is family friendly. Coochie coochie coochie. Coochie coochie coochie. Now they will all see who the real guy is. It's gonna be a good round, but also scary round. In fact, it's not even good round. I'm literally dying of laughter right now. I promise you. Oh, wow, wow. You say yeah, we might go. Oh, I'm gonna blur that part out of the video. Yeah, see. Well, guys, that's where I'm gonna end it for a video. Stay blessed and keep the vibes blooming. So.